Now, some of you know that there are some of the cities in China where NIO does exceptionally well in terms of sales. Cities like Beijing, Shanghai, these are some of the cities that we are seeing NIO selling a lot and lots of vehicles, especially Shanghai, which is obviously pretty good, right? I mean, yesterday we saw a photo of a store or one of the NIO stores in Shanghai pegged with consumers, with potential customers wanting to inquire more about NIO cars, which shows you that the NIO demand in some of the cities is not slowing down. The NIO demand is still there, which this just hints that we might actually get to see another 20,000 deliveries even this month. I mean, as I'm saying, one of the cities that contribute a lot of NIO sales is Shanghai, and to see one of the stores in Shanghai being full like this, it makes me, or it gives me great joy knowing that this is another sign showing that NIO's demand is not slowing down. NIO, we might see them delivering yet another 20,000 deliveries. I mean, yesterday, or rather on Tuesday, we saw insurance registrations coming in, where we saw NIO for last week reporting 5,800, of which out of those 5,800, we did a calculation that showed us that 4,002 are already insurance registrations that are to be factored for this month, which that was the first sign. And now with this photo or this picture, it shows or proves that NIO's demand might not slow down anytime soon. It appears that Chinese consumers are liking more and more of these NIO cars, and this will result in NIO generating more sales, or much better sales, which is something that as investors, it excites us to see this kind of photos, this kind of pictures, because you will know that with NIO, for a NIO store to be full like this, or for a place when you're selling their cars to be full like this, we usually see this maybe in auto shows. And to get to see such situations happening without any auto show, just a random day at a NIO store and it's pegged like this, it gives me great joy, or it excites investors, and it shows us that NIO is doing exceptionally well. Orders will continue coming because people continue flooding the NIO stores. So I'm happy, I'm excited, though this to some others it might not mean anything, but to me this is a pretty good thing, seeing a NIO store being filled by people like this with just a random day. I'm happy to see this, and this is another reason that makes me want to load the boat even onto the NIO stock, because share price wise, you know that this is one of the stocks, or this is the stock, Chinese stock, that is being hammered the most. I think short sellers are targeting to destroy this stock in terms of the share price, but obviously though the fundamentals of the companies are growing, they are just not stopping crashing down this stock. But the good thing is that those that does their own due diligence will know that this offers a good opportunity for us to scoop more shares, to scoop more holdings onto the NIO stock, because NIO is a company that is growing fundamentally, yet the stock price or the share price continues dropping sharply. So I've loaded quite a lot this week. I've disclosed the number of shares I've loaded. I don't have any money to load more this week. Hopefully next week I get some money that I can go in once again and load the boat onto this NIO stock. I'm very happy, and signs like this or pictures like this of a NIO store having so many people, it's another encouragement for me to want to load the boat. So tell me what you think about this. Me, I think this is great news. These are wonderful news that shows that NIO could be headed for another plus 20,000 deliveries, which that will make NIO to have plus 20,000 deliveries for 4 consecutive months, which is something that is pretty exciting, something that is incredible. And I think we should definitely brace ourselves for what's coming. Obviously, insurance registrations will still be coming. They'll be confirming the demand that is onto NIO. I mean, you will know that Carfens China last week confirmed that for July, NIO had around 20,000 orders, or over 20,000 orders, right? And half of those orders, one thing that we know from NIO is that half of those orders are still to be delivered. So there's still 10,000 orders that NIO will still need to deliver for this month, which probably they form part of the insurance registrations, or the 4,000 insurance registrations that are coming in for this month, because it takes NIO 14 days for them to deliver the car to you once you have placed an order. This is what we know, or these are the current wait times on the NEO models. It's currently sitting at around 2 weeks. So we know that if you place an order today, you will get it in the next 14 days, which is 2 weeks, which gives me comfortability and makes me to even go back to this photo and think that if these people, those people that we saw at a NEO store, whoever placed their an order there, they are going to receive their car in the next 2 weeks, which this just solidifies, or this just justify my opinion of saying we could see NEO delivering yet another 20,000 deliveries. I mean, not many people expected NEO to continue delivering over 20,000 deliveries as they are doing. Few people are the ones that were saying we believe NEO can do this for some time, but majority of the investors never thought they are going to see over 20,000 in 3 months in a row. They never expected to see that, and seeing that, I think it gives confidence. It boosts investors' confidence to say that actually NEO can do this for the rest of the year. It's possible they can do this. I mean, if they do it in August, you know that September towards the end, Envoy is coming. It will be an obvious case for September also for NEO to deliver over 20,000 deliveries. So I look forward to the deliveries. I look forward to the insurance registrations, and I look forward to the total deliveries or sales that NEO is going to generate this year. You will know that last year NEO generated total sales of around 160,000 vehicles, or plus 160,000 vehicles, and this year we are expecting NEO to deliver at least over 200,000 deliveries. And I think at the kind of rate we are seeing NEO delivering their cars, it is possible we can see NEO delivering over 200,000 deliveries from just the NEO brand, by the way, not including Envo, just the NEO brand plus Envo. Or we might be talking of almost going to 250,000, 230 to 250,000, which of course also that it's something that is pretty exciting. So I'm happy, I'm excited. I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you're happy about this photo showing one of the NEO store being filled by people in Shanghai, which is a destination which NEO is doing absolutely well. So I'm happy to see this photo. I thought I should just share it with you and show you that we must brace ourselves for what's coming even this month onto NEO. We might see NEO delivering plus 20,000 deliveries even this month, which is something that makes me to be really excited. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Do your own due diligence before you buy it for the very first time, because this stock is quite volatile, and therefore it requires you to have done some due diligence so that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.